Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this dewy look. So if you would love to see how I achieved this, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. Let's get into this video, y'all. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize with my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. I'm just generously applying this to my face and rubbing it in to all of my problem areas. After I do that, I'm going to go in with the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. Now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Foundation in the color 310 Sun Beige. I'm going to mix my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the color Amber with my Maybelline foundation. So as you guys can see, this foundation is a little dark for me, but once I mix everything, blend and conceal, everything comes together and it looks flawless. I like to mix these two colors because the first one is a little darker, the second one is nice and light and brightens everything up, and it makes me super dewy. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl concealer in the color Medium Beige. I really love this concealer. Like, this is a day one staple concealer for me. So I'm just putting that concealer underneath my eyes. I am going to put it on my forehead, along the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And then I'm just going to blend out with a damp beauty blender. And I really went all out with this concealer because I really wanted it to be bright and highlighted. So I went all the way. And I'm just going to use the opposite side where I have my foundation and just blend out any harsh lines. To set my face, I'm going to use Fashion Fair's loose powder in the color Amber and just go over everywhere that I had the concealer and foundation. After I set my face, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer for contouring. Espresso, I love this for contouring. This is a cream contour, and then I'm going to go over it with a powder contour. And then I'm going to use my Milani Baked Bronzer in the color Glow. After that, I'm going to set my face one more time with my Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. Now I'm just going to go in with my blush, my Milani Baked Blush in the color Luminoso. And then I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to blend everything and even everything out and make everything look seamless. Alright guys, I'm back. I did my lashes and just some eye makeup, something simple. So now I'm going to just go ahead and do my highlight. So I used two highlights. First I'm going to go in with the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator by NYX. Look at that. Look at that. The Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the color Molten Peach. Hold on. Do y'all see how highlighted and pretty that glow is? Like, oh my god. This is a drugstore highlighter. Ladies, you need to get your hands on this product. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. And one more time with my fluffy brush, I am going to blend out that highlight and melt everything into my skin. This is the final look, guys. What am I talking about final look? I have nothing on my lips. Jeez. I'm gonna go in with MAC Lip Liner in Cork. I'm gonna do a really simple nude lip. Like, I love a nice dark liner and then like a nice nude gloss. Oh my goodness, I live for nude. Let's see what I want to do today. I'm gonna go in with NYX Lingerie Gloss, color Shy. Then I'm just gonna go over this with a little glitter. And this is Shy from NYX as well, the glitter gloss. This now is the finished look. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see exactly what I am seeing. Like, I love this look. Comment down below and let me know what you do for your skin. My skin is super dry, so I have to do these dewy looks because then it will look crazy. This look is giving me all types of life. I hope you guys liked it. Thank y'all for watching and see you guys in the next video. All right.